Welcome back to Coin Peeks, where we give you sneak peeks into the world of finance through the ebooks written by Professor Marcello Zanardo, who brings over 30 years of experience in global markets. Last time, we explored asset classes, the building blocks of investment portfolios. Today, we're turning the spotlight on something real, literally. Welcome to Episode 2, Real Assets. So, what exactly are real assets? They're tangible investments that hold intrinsic value, things like private equity, real estate, infrastructure, and private debt. Unlike stocks or bonds, their worth comes from their physical presence and real-world use. And here's why they matter. Real assets help investors diversify and stabilize their portfolios. They move differently from traditional markets, meaning when stocks swing, these assets can hold their ground. By 2022, global real asset investments reached nearly $12 trillion, growing almost 18% per year since 2017. The biggest player? Private equity, which takes up more than 60% of the real asset market, followed by real estate, private debt, and infrastructure. And the US dominates this space, with Asia and Europe catching up. So, why do investors love them? Because they tend to deliver steady, inflation-resistant returns. They also give more control. Owners focus on long-term growth, not daily price noise. But there's a flip side too. Real assets are illiquid. You can't sell them overnight. They also need expert knowledge, reliable data, and often big capital to get started. Let's break down a few examples. Private equity fuels business growth, like when Investindustrial bought Italy to help it expand globally. Real estate creates income through rent or resale, and remains one of the best hedges against inflation. Infrastructure, like airports or renewable energy, offers long-term stability. Think of the Sydney Airport deal, valued at $17.5 billion. And private debt, loans made outside the banking system, has exploded in popularity, reaching $1.3 trillion worldwide. In short, real assets are where finance meets the real world. They might not be as liquid as stocks, but they offer something far more grounded: stability, resilience, and long-term growth. That wraps up Episode 2 of Coin Peeks. Stay tuned for the next episode, where we continue uncovering the insights from Professor Zanardo's series on modern investing. If you're enjoying these peeks, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.